we have indicators on top of indicators telling you Bitcoin is going to explode from here on in.
I'm all in.
Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, wherever you are, whenever you are. Thank you for watching my videos. My name is Da Vinci Jeremy. I'm in the pipe 5x5 here in New York with Mr. M. How you doing, man?
How's it going? Yeah, good. We actually had a good gym session, 4:30
Oh, yes.
on the clock.
We were up really early, actually. I was up like around 3 or 4 o'clock.
Yeah.
And it's like, it was really difficult because we were trying to adjust to the time zone. But yeah, we had a good time at the gym. And also, we also went on the Moon Show. So if you missed that, you should check out the Moon Show as well. The link for that should be in the description as well. Okay, we're going to be talking about the Ethereum ETF. What happened there? And we're also going to be talking about all these indicators that says, if you're not in Bitcoin, you're a jack. I mean, when I say jack, right? It's Jack and the Beanstalk, right? You know the Jack and the Beanstalk story?
Yeah.
You know, he was an idiot to give a cow for beans. You be a Jack and Beanstalk guy to hold on to dollars and not Bitcoin.
Indeed.
After we tell you what's going on, then we're going to show you how to, slowly get into this at the end of the show. So make sure you stay all the way to the end of the show, because we're going to show you how to trade this. And if you're interested in trading it, make sure you do so here at bybit.davincej15.com. I'm going to type that in for you. bybit.davincej15.com. See, that's how you do it. You get there by clicking there, and that will take you straight to this website. Nice and easy. Boom. You can handle that. People can handle that.
Easy peasy.
Yeah, okay. And make sure you hit the like, hit the subscribe if you haven't already done so already. Okay, waffles. Oof, it is bubbling up. It's ready to break out. I mean, there's a lot of meme coins ready to break out, but mine, right? Waffles, right? A few others. They're set to go.
He's building a ladder. Look.
And yeah, exactly. There's a coupled handle here, kind of. It's going to probably maybe put a little bit of. Maybe this was the cup and handle, but I think this is because it's right in this area. So this is the nice cup, and it might have to do a little bit of a handle here, but then, ouch.
The train is going to take over, so make sure you have some bags, right?
Exactly. And a fork.
We were talking about this yesterday, remember?
And it's just like, I'm trying to get some more, right? So if you guys could sell yours.
If you don't mind.
No. I'm trying to buy low. Right? So I'd really appreciate it.
We've been waiting. By the way, on the plane, we were looking at the chat
I know.
the entire time.
Exactly.
Waiting to get in.
Waiting. I know. I was like, is this going to go down?
It was so funny. It was really funny.
Oh, man.
It doesn't want to stop.
I know. Damn.
Crazy.
Whew. Wow. Oh boy. Okay, so for the news for today, we're going to be talking about the ETH traders should expect the unexpected after ETF launch, right? Oh my, Jim Cramer claims ETH was bid up before the ETF debut. Okay, so that means we're going to launch. We're going to
Enough, guys. Hashtag inverse CRAMER.
Oh my gosh. So yeah, we're not going to be talking about all these news articles here, but yeah, if you're interested in these summary, you can check that out on my public group, right, by clicking the link in the description. Okay. Spot Ethereum ETF posts 100 million net inflows on the first day. Now, I know that seems a little bit like low, but you have to go over to, you see where BlackRock, they did quite a bit, right? And it's just that what happened was, who was this? Grayscale.
There we go.
They had to dampen the party.
Yeah, because they have the high fee, 2.5%. Exactly what happened with Bitcoin. They've been dumping for a few months, down to the point where they finished their Bitcoin. They don't want to sell it. So we'll probably see the same thing. But this was the second most successful launch for an ETF.
Yeah, exactly. I mean, really effectively $500 million went into it.
Damn, day one. That's not bad.
Whew, this rainbow chart says, what the heck are you doing? are you not buying? Right?
Follow the rainbow.
Exactly. We're about to go to red. That's almost $1 million. What's wrong with you?
Damn. Yeah, and even if we just stay quote in the orange, that's still, I don't know how much is that, 170, 180? So not too shabby.
Yeah, so JP Morgan considers the current Bitcoin price overvalued. Correction expected. Sweet.
We were discussing, are you expecting a $48,000 Bitcoin anytime soon?
No, not anymore. It's
Not
over.
anymore, yeah.
Because we went back into the trade zone, right? Which we'll show you guys back in the TA section of this video. So make sure you stay tuned. You can see the hash ribbons shows a buy signal. I think we should buy then.
When we break that level there, then it's go time, right?
Exactly. Then the signal is clear. Why you're not all in. Okay, US will pay 1.1 trillion in interest payments on debt this year, which is equivalent to 76% of all the income taxes collected. Now, I want you guys to know a little bit of secret here. Most of this income comes from the stock market. And if the stock market collapses, which is predicted to be collapsing in October, November, their revenue drops. So this will become, their interest will be higher than the amount of revenue. Oh, it's going to be a scary ride. You better have your Bitcoin. Don't hold dollars, man. Don't hold dollars through this next bull run. If anything, hold gold. If you want to like, if you just like, oh no, I can't. I have to sell the highs, man. But then sell it into gold, man. Just don't hold dollars with this. This is you could get wiped out if you do. Okay.
You want to hold assets and not liabilities, right?
Exactly. And that's what a dollar is, a liability. Okay, and finally, this beautiful cup and handle. Right? Takes you right up there.
Okay, you know what that means? Rocket.
Exactly. All right, Mr. M and I are going to be interviewing Donald Trump.
Manifest. Yeah,
exactly. Yes, and Michael Saylor, right?
Michael Saylor, Kathy
Woods, and a few others, right? When we head over to Nashville. So make sure you head over to Mr. M's podcast, right? If you don't know how to do that, it's quite simple. If you don't know how to search, it's like Mr. M. Sorry, we got to put in the podcast.
For now, because we'll conquer also that search at some point.
And then boom, you managed to find it. It's pretty easy, right?
Yeah.
All right. So let's go on to make sure you trade at bybit.davincij15.com or coinw.davincij15.com. Links are in the description below. And you can see that Bitcoin, right? Let me just clear out this, and we're at the 4 hour. Once we broke below some key areas, right? The $60,000. Because I took out all my trend lines and stuff like that. Let me just put them back here. And then we broke above this. Boom. Look at that. I mean, that's it. We're back in the range between 72, I think it is. Let's just, I'm going to guesstimate that it's right above.
Is it going to be resistance in the diagonal?
Right. Once we say, look at that, that was pretty much accurate. Right? So,
down to the dollar.
So once we break above that, it's go time. If you don't have, this is the area you want to load up. Right?
Yeah, November is coming, October is coming. Oh my, the election of Trump might say something in the next couple of days about potentially using Bitcoin as a reserve currency. Imagine if he says even something remotely.
That would be thermonuclear explosion detected.
Yeah. Exactly. It will be there, by the way.
Damn. Alrighty. So Ethereum, right? It looks like it was going to back off, right? And we're just seeing if it wants to take off. I know the ETF was like a little bit underwhelming, but this is good because we didn't drop.
Yeah.
Right? We didn't drop heavy. And so that means we could see Ethereum start to take off. Now, you don't have to start buying here. You could wait for it to like you know, retest the lows here, like this breakout area here with this big up candle. We could come back and retest this area. Let's just do it Fibonacci with sequence return. I bet you it has something to do with that. So the 38.2 or 50%, right? You see the 50% is right in that area. And even the 61.8, it could go as low as here, but I doubt it. If we do, this is the last call.
Ding, 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 ding.
You have the cheapest price. If we come down here, you're getting the cheapest price, period. For like, it will never come back here. It's over. You're buying the lows. Absolutely. Right? So, you know, if you want to say what's the difference between, you know, what's the $300 between friends, you should be buying it anyways.
Exactly. I was about to say, who cares? Like, you know, $300, $400. I think we're going to 10,000 this cycle. You agree?
Yes, exactly. Well over 10,000. All right. Well, that's it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed today's episode. I know I did. And we're going to be preparing to pack right now.
And catch our plane.
Yeah, exactly. And also, I'm going to be doing some quick question and answers after this. So if you're interested in asking me questions whilst I do the live show, you could sign up at DaVinciJ15.com.
Nice.
All right. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys next time.
Cheers.